Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook so you don't get those alerts every time someone's birthday comes around. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com and log in with your email and password. Here you can see that I already have installed this app, so I'm going to open it. If you didn't, just go to your Play Store and install this app. And after installing, just open it and log in with your email and password. So here you can see that I already have logged in. And now click on this profile icon on the top right corner and you will see an interface like this. Normally expand this settings and privacy option and choose settings again. And now scroll down a bit and here you will get an option notifications. Choose it. And here look for birthdays. So I'm gonna choose this birthday option. And here you will see options for how you receive birthday notifications. Toggle up the switches for notifications you don't want like push, email or SMS. So I'm gonna turn off all of them. And I'm just turning this off also. And choosing again this turn off option and that's it. Once you turn them off, you won't get birthday notifications anymore. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to turn off birthday notifications on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.